In today's housing market, sellers are having to get creative to keep their deals moving. Sometimes that means they lower the cost of the listing, and other times they're offering a concession. In 2025, we're seeing plenty of both. I'm Dusty with Schooner Bay Realty in Southwest Florida, and in this video, I'm going to break down how each of the strategies work. So a price cut is exactly what it sounds like. The seller will lower the cost of their listing. For a buyer, this means that it reduces the overall loan amount, bringing down their monthly payment over the course of their mortgage. A seller concession is a little different because instead of changing the list price, the seller will agree to cover some of the buyer's cost. So that could be closing fees, prepaid taxes, insurance, repairs, or even a mortgage rate buy down. This is a benefit that is immediate at the closing table because it reduces the amount of cash a buyer needs up front. This year, I believe around 44% of US home sales have included some form of a concession. In markets like Seattle, Portland, that share can be even higher, and in areas where inventory is piling up, sellers are often offering both. They're lowering the price and giving a concession. And about 1 in 6 homes sold in early 2025 has had both of those. And you have to remember, not every buyer is going to value these strategies in the same way. Some buyers are super strapped for cash and they want a concession because that's going to ease their closing cost and it's going to be a huge help. Whereas others are more willing to bring more money up front, prioritizing a lower overall purchase price and smaller monthly payments in the long run. In 2025, concessions aren't replacing price cuts, they're being used in tandem. And which option ends up happening is just really dependent on the buyer's situation. For some, they really need that immediate relief. And for others, it's all about the final number. Either way, both of those tools are reshaping how deals are getting done this year. If you have questions about financing, seller concession, listing cost, or buying and selling real estate here in Southwest Florida, just hit me up through this platform and we will make it happen.